Welcome to How to Complete Your Online Health Risk Assessment. Before you can begin filling out the health risk assessment, you must first have your HRA labs completed at the Best Street Clinic. Once you have received your lab work back, you are ready to begin. Click the blue Health Risk Assessment link to begin. Please answer all questions before clicking Next to continue to the next page. Some questions will require information that is listed in your lab results. Once you have completed all 7 pages of questions, you will be presented with the results of the assessment, including wellness recommendations based on your answers. When you are done reviewing your results, you can close out of the assessment. Your health risk assessment is now complete.